Thank you for joining this demo for Team360 Omnichannel Adapter for ServiceNow with speech recognition and sentiment analysis. I have logged in into the ServiceNow portal. I will launch my Cisco adapter from here. I will log in. And then I will make a call from my mobile phone to make sure that I am calling into the IVR.
Welcome to the demo of Team360 Omnichannel Gadget for Salesforce with live sentiment analysis. Please say agent if you want to speak with a CSR.
Agent.
Sure, I will just transfer you to an agent. Have a lovely experience.
Okay. Thank you for calling the TT Bank services. Please tell us how we can help you today. Yeah, I want to know my balance for the savings account. Sure, sir. Please tell us your account number. The account number is 123456. Okay, thank you for giving the account number. Mm-hmm. The balance in this account is $200. Is there anything else I can help you with? The balance in this account is $200. Is there anything I can help you with? No, thank you so much. Uh, I will do some transfers and then I can call you back. Sure, sir. Thank you very much for calling the TT Bank. Please let us know once your transfer is successful. Okay, thanks for your service. Goodbye. The caller has dropped. You can see there were certain sentiments that were identified during the conversation. Uh, the agent also disconnects. He goes into the wrap-up mode. As you can see, all the communication or the conversation has been fairly transcribed by the automatic speech recognition engine. Uh, Thank you. Instead of TT Bank, it's written Piggy Bank. Okay. There are certain words which needs to be identified and fine tuning can be done based on the grammar and certain word detection can be done with the Google speech to text and the language, the Indian English and the American English, uh, all can be identified. We also have a video service, which is the video on demand. So say, for example, you want to extend video on demand services with the customer and to help them fill up a form or to do some sort of co-browsing, that is also possible. So yeah, I can take another call and show you how this works.
Welcome to the demo of Team360 Omnichannel Gadget for Salesforce with live sentiment analysis. Please say agent if you want to speak with a CSR.
Agent.
Sure, I will just transfer you to an agent. Have a lovely experience.
I got a call. Answer it. So to start the video, I can say that, okay, I am sharing you the video link, and please provide us your email address. You can just select the email address. Yeah, my email address is harish at techteam.in. So what I can do is I can Jabber. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. It is Harish, Harish, at the rate techteam.in. Okay, so what I do is I can start the video link from here. I can say Harish and techteam.in, and I will send the link. So once the link is sent, you will see that there is a video link option which has come up here. You can just click on this video link to start. I have received a mail from the video link, and I will just open this video link on my phone, or on my pad or something else, so that you will be able to see how this works. Uh, you can just start this video link as agent audio and video, and on the phone or on my other phone I will just start this video. I will just click allow for the camera to allow, and here I will just say caller. Now, now, so if you can see there are two videos. Yeah, perfectly fine. Even on this mobile phone also you will be able to, oops, even on this mobile phone you will be able to see there are two videos. Okay, now as an agent or as a caller, I can or as an agent I can start the recording services as well. So I can just say start recording to record this whole session. The entire session of the browsing and everything can be started as a video call. I will stop the call, and we can all we can even share the screen, or the agent or the sorry, the the agent or the caller can share the screen if he is on his laptop or on the video or on this thing, and he can start it. So you can just leave. I can also leave from here. I will stop this, and we can continue with our voice call. Okay, sir, thank you very much. I think we had completed our video call, and thank you for sharing your screen. We hope I was able to help you. Yes, you were able to help me, and I think we had a good session. Thank you very much. So I will disconnect the call from here, from the caller, and So yeah, this was it. This was pretty much it. The video is a very key important add-on to our product here, and that gives you the feature to do some sort of a video call between the agent and the caller, on his preferred devices like a mobile phone and or on a desktop. So currently the app is also available, and he can also join it from a web URL from a desktop. Okay, yeah, so I think that was it. I can now change my status to ready, or rather log out. Then log out. I hope you liked this demo. Thank you very much.